In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in Wise Business. To get started, sign in to your Wise Business dashboard and make sure you're on the main account screen. This is where you can manage payments, account activity, and business tools, including invoicing. If you're creating an invoice for the first time, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is located. Having your client details and pricing information ready before you begin will make the process much faster and help you avoid mistakes. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Request or Invoices section. Depending on how your account is displayed, you may see one of these options more prominently than the other, but both are connected to the invoicing workflow. This area is where you create a payment request that looks professional and gives your customer a clear way to pay you. Open that section and begin a new invoice. Next, fill out the recipient's contact information. This usually includes the customer's name, business name if applicable, and email address. Make sure all of these details are accurate, because they determine where the invoice is sent and help your client recognize that the request is intended for them. If you enter the wrong contact information, the invoice may not reach the right person, so it's a good idea to double check everything before moving on. After that, specify the amount, line items, and payment terms. This is the most important part of the invoice because it explains exactly what the client is being charged for. Add each line item clearly so the invoice is easy to understand. If you're billing for multiple products or services, list them in a simple and organized way. Then confirm the total amount is correct and choose the payment terms, such as when the invoice is due. Clear payment terms help avoid confusion and make it easier for both you and your client to stay on the same page. When everything looks correct, send the invoice by email directly through Wise, or copy the generated payment link to share manually. Sending by email is convenient if you want Wise to deliver it right away, while copying the payment link can be useful if you prefer to send it through your own messaging channel or include it in a separate conversation with the client. Before sending, do one final review to make sure the contact details, amount, and terms are all accurate. And that's it. Once sent, your client can use the invoice or payment